Hi everyone. So this is the demo site of the VetBuddy. So as you know, it's a cloud-based application, so you can access this from anywhere, from any part of the world, and on any laptop, mobile, tablet. So I'm logging as a manager. Manager has all the rights, so I'll show you the all features. This is the home page. Okay, so if you have multi-clinic, you can choose your clinic from here. On the left hand side, this is the logo. You can choose your own logo, and on the right hand side you can see help files. If you click help files, you can raise your concern and ticket to our customer care number, and the mail will go to our support team. Within 24/7 they will reply. We have given beginners files also, and plus advanced users files, so you can check all the files. Suppose you want to search how to add client, just type that and search, so you'll get all the relevant details. So here you can see with picture all the details we have given. Yeah, so we have given two search client patient, two search navigation. One is client patient search option. Suppose you want to search any client, just type that client or patient, you will get the details. Click that client or patient. Okay, you can we have given more than 600 links, so you can search all the links. Suppose add client, so you can choose the add client and you can start working. Fine. So this is the setting tab. From here you can see the business intelligence, all the medical, all the reports. You can define user roles, you can add modify product and services, you can add modify reminders, you can add receive code, you can update on hand quantities of stocks. Okay, so let me come to on the home page. So this is the bulletin messages. So if you want to send any message, just click the right button, choose your clinic, choose your staff category, choose your staff name, add, and message, and save. Then all your staff or the relevant staff can see the message on her or his dashboard. Okay, so I'll show you how to do OTC sales. So we have given OTC sale when you have a lot of clients and you don't have time to enter all the medical details, so you can do OTC sales. Add client and click OTC sales. Mention your client name, mention your patient name, select species, select doctor, and we have already defined more than 2000 product and service, veterinary product and services. So you just type one or two letters and you can choose the product and then go to cart and invoice. This is the quickest way. And now I'll tell you how to enter the product and services. Just go to add modify services and goods, choose your category, mention your product services name, quantity, price, whatever you want to keep, a service fee if you want, and then save. You'll have to just take care whether the product belongs to inventory or service. Okay, you can modify also your end product. Just click that and modify. Okay, and save. You can maintain your Same way you can maintain your received goods quantity. Choose product, choose vendor, mention vendor, its saved quantity, invoice and amount, and then save. Same way you can manage your inventory also. Just click the update on hand quantities and stock. As I told you, we have already entered more than 2000 products and services. Choose your product and services name, mention new on hand quantity, current on hand quantity and threshold quantity. So whenever the product will go below this limit, you will get a report, inventory report, that is need report. List services and goods to be purchased. Okay, and this report is for want report. Add potentially needed product to purchase plan. Right, this way you can manage your inventory. Now you can add modify reminders. We have more than 80 reminders in the system. Choose your reminder and just add modify. You can mention, you can set for 30 days, 15 days, whatever days. For hours, expiry, you can mention expiry. You can do advanced settings also. Choose, suppose you want to send a reminder after this, so you can choose from here. From category, select the category and then product and services and then add. You can delete also and then save. Okay, you can modify your staff roles. Okay, suppose click client, then you want to show him only certificate, so you can just click that and just save it, so he will see only certificate and appointment. Okay, and then save. This way you can manage your staff visibility. You can check all the business intelligence reports. We have more than 100 reports, so you can choose whether you want to see the sales report, miscellaneous, production, admission, communication manager, marketing, accounting, inventory, or suppose I'm going to see revenue by provider category, services and goods. Okay, from 1st of March to this detailed sales report. So you'll get a report for everything. Fine. Now you can do setting also for your organization detail setting, clinic hours, staff, email. We have more than 20 email templates, certificates, templates, so you can modify and you can do the tagging also. Just click the preview and you can check if everything is right or you want to change. Then if you want to change, you can change it from here and save. You can do tagging according to your need. Okay, now I'll go to, so I've already showed you everything, so all the things you can manage from setting. So I'll show you how to do full registration, full workflow with electronic medical records. So I'll go to the add client. Choose your clinic, mention your name, mention mobile number. All the red marks are mandatory. We have given email address as a mandatory, so suppose your client doesn't give email address, so you can generate just click that client declines to give email address, so the system will automatically generate email address. Okay, So I'm just okay. Now choose if you want to send emails, reminders, newsletters. You can mention notes and alert. If this is ticked, then welcome email and login details will go to the client. Okay. So I'm saving and adding a new patient. Now you can add patient name, all the masters you can define if you want to add more. Okay. Now I'm adding. Yeah, now you can see client name. First line is for client name, second line for patient name, and this is a medical record. Here you can add medical record. Okay, this is by default common patient medical record because we have not entered anything. Now I would like to take appointment for this client or patient. So I'll click calendar. Now I'm going to take appointment. Okay, so I'm going to take appointment of 4:40 for the same patient. So if it's outpatient, you can choose your patient type for home visit or boarding. You can add complaint, additional complaint if you want. You can increase or decrease your appointment time. Okay, you can do recurring appointment also. Suppose you want to call after one day for 2 times. Choose your doctor, choose your equipment, choose your location, and if everything is right, then create appointment. Now you can see I is for the patient client information. You can edit, you can send Google map to the client. Okay, and you can also delete from here. You can prepone and postpone. Suppose I am postponing 5 p.m. Okay, now I can prepone. This is the 1-day view. You can check the week view. Okay, now you can see recurring appointment for the week. You can see month view also. Okay, so I'm going back to day view. So I'm checking. Suppose client has come, so I'm checking. Everything is fine, and then check in. Now it's turned into yellow. client is waiting, so doctor can click the waiting tab and he can go and start for the whole process. Suppose right for me fewer, so I'm just saving this. You can type your own. If it's first visit, you can start with a new visit. It's previous visit, then you can mention as a post. So it's a first visit, so I'm mentioning as a first. Now you can choose your history forms. You can make your own. You can mention, we have more than 14 forms, so you can choose your form and mention all details. You can access after the examination. Suppose I'm just mentioning this, and if you're not aware, you can choose from your category. Okay, and save. You can plan as for prescription. You can prescribe the plan, prescribe the product. So if you'll move your cursor, you'll find all the related thing. Okay, if you click the product name, you can mention manually also, or you can mention the tablet, frequency and instruction. You can add report card. I'm just saving this. Now I'm just performing an invoice. You can do invoice with discount, you can put in card, you can estimate. I'm just performing an invoicing. Okay, suppose this is the invoice number and 800 he wants to pay. If he whatever amount, you can change this amount even up to 0. Okay, so because your invoice is already generated, so you can mention that. So I'm just mentioning that he wants to pay 500 only, so apply now. He is going to pay. Now we are in billing system, so he is going to pay by cash, so confirm. Now you can see the 800 minus 5 and 3 and is the invoice balance. The same you can see in the accounting. From here you can see all the past invoices, account by date, payment history, reverse, and this is going he needs to pay, so you can check all the things. Okay, so you can print receipt, you can send email, or you can email and go to report card, or you can take print receipt with invoices and ribbon. This is the complete workflow. Suppose you do not want to go with a complete workflow, you can directly start from anywhere. Suppose I want to start from a medical note. This is the manual option if you want to make entry manually for the work rather than going through the workflow, so you can do that. Okay, and save medical. Now you can see all the related details from the starting. So every time you will add, so it will come automatically on the same page. As you can see here, it's a patient waiting list, so you can check your patient waiting list. You can see all the we can integrate all your lab and reports, and you can check your all lab and reports. You can see all the financial reports, compliance. You can manage your inventory. If you have admission and floor, all the details. And if you have any issue, please let us know. So you can manage all your workflow. Thank you for your time.